Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff I bought. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as y'all saw on my title, is I am doing a review, kinda. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do an unboxing on some Apple products that I got. Okay guys, so this is the MacBook Pro. And it is the 13-inch. And it is the 13-inch in space gray. And I got the cheapest one pretty much, which the cheapest one is too expensive. It cost me, the cheapest one, it was $1,299. And I don't know if, yes, it's $1,299. And then since I'm a college student, you get a discount. So I got the discount for $100 off, which I guess is somewhat safe money. So I got this, and I'm gonna unbox it. And I'm not a Hotech person, so if y'all wanted to watch a Hotech thing, then y'all should probably look someone up that knows their stuff. But like I said, I don't, and I'm just gonna do the regular unboxing because when I buy something, I always before I buy it, I always look up videos on people unboxing just to see. But all those tech people, I never watch them because for me, that just bores me out. So I can't watch those. But anyway, like I said, I'm just gonna unbox it and show it to y'all. That sounds like a deal. So yeah, that's that. And then with this, I got something free. I got these Beats, the Beats Studio 3 wireless. I got them in the matte black, and these were free. So when you buy a MacBook Pro, you basically get it for free. So yeah, we're gonna unbox these. But first, we're gonna unbox this. So basically, what I noticed they did new is they put a little flap here. So we're just gonna rip it off. Wow, that doesn't even do much. Okay, so this just basically slides off. Watch me drop it. This thing up. Here's the box. It smells like new. So that's the box. And this is the MacBook. So yeah, let's pick it up. Gray. It has, it's the space gray one, 13-inch. So we're just gonna take a simple. That's up here. Okay. So this is it, you guys. This is the MacBook. It is not too thin, but it's not the thinner one because the MacBook Air is thinner. It's 13-inch. It's not too small. I think it's a good size for college. So when we open it, this is what it has. So we're just gonna take that off. It's turning on. So this is the MacBook Pro, you guys. So shiny. So this new one has, a touch balancer right here. It has a touch bar right here because it's a newer version. And so I'm gonna set this up. Obviously, it's gonna be English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Return gate. What's the return gate? just basically have to set it up. So yeah, and you can see the keyboard is lighting up, it's lit up. But yeah, that's the keyboard, and this is TouchBar up here. So all this is touch, so I can, it has the volume and like the brightness, and then the brightness of the keyboard, I can switch that all up here, and then my regular keyboard. So I'll finish setting that up later. But yeah, this is the MacBook, and the newer ones, the Apple does not work.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3
Let me
times.
just finish doing
Hit the
this.
right
Okay, USA, and then I can connect to the Wi-Fi later. Oh, and this new one has a Touch ID here, so instead of putting a password, I can just do my thumbprint and have a Touch ID. So I think that's awesome. So how do I turn it off? I don't know. So let's just shut it. Hopefully this is off. And then it brings my charger. This is the MacBook's charger, and it's different because this is the plug-in that goes into the laptop. Or no, they're the same one. Basically, one of them goes into the laptop, the other one goes into the charger port. And then you get this little booklet, and I think it has like an Apple thingy, sticker. And then this is the block. This is the Apple block.
Apparently, my dad likes drilling holes in the
This
wall.
is the Apple block and my charger. That's all I get in this box. Nothing special. Nothing special. So then these beads. Open them. These scissors. Scissors. There they are. I just use my eyebrow scissors for like pretty much regular scissors. They get the work done, right? So here it is. Some people might find this satisfying. So these are the beads. And they're Studio 3 wireless. And they last up to 22 hours of battery life. So this is the case or whatever. That right there. And yeah, so let's open it. I think it's the same way. Obviously. And so the first thing you see when you open it, it has changed the way you hear sound. And then the Beats logo. And then this red thingy that you just lift. And then, oh, that has a smell. A brand new smell. So, I love this case. This case is like, it's hard shell, so I like that. It's not like those floppy ones. Can you tell? It's like the hard shell ones. It's hard. So when we open it up,
Why is that a daily need?
so when I open it up, here are the beats. And so basically you got free beats and you could choose. I like that as well. See, this is the case. And when you buy the Mac, you can choose your beats. So you get to choose. They look pretty nice. So basically, when you buy a Mac, you get to choose. The color and the style, because they did have like solo 3 something, but I got the studio one since they are bigger. They're gonna cover your ear, and there's more. What's it called? You can basically soundproof kind of, and so you won't be able to hear sounds coming in. And obviously if you turn it up, then it's even better. And I think, yeah, you push the button, so right here it's like a call or whatever, and then you put the volume up and down, and then this is like the pause it, I'm pretty sure. Well, no, that was last year's. Anywho, and then this is where you charge it. But yeah, these are the beats I got. You can see the logo right here, you can see it. It's on both sides, so it's matte black, all of it. So I think that's really sweet. And it has the wires that go with the beats. And it also has a booklet. Here's other stuff, you guys. This book looks heavy. So since, okay, this one has like instructions or whatever, how to use them. And then, okay, since Apple now owns Beats, I'm pretty sure my last Beats I got, they did not have a sticker. But since Apple always gives stickers, they gave the Beats stickers. More instructions. Yeah, basically more instructions. You get a lot of instructions, so you don't have to turn on and stuff. And this also brings this little hook to put onto the Beats case. And then it has this 10-minute charge. I don't know what this means. Oh, is this a charger? Yeah, this is a charger to charge them if you want them to be wireless. Look, so I get to choose my look. So do I want... Ooh. So you know how like the other one has like white background and everything? I can choose black. So I'm gonna go with, since my computer is dark, I'm just gonna choose dark. You see it changes to a block. You can do that or you can do dark. I think dark looks better, so let's just do dark. You can obviously change it later on. So setting it up for me. Obviously I can change the background and stuff, and it's fully charged, but this is my Mac, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, you guys, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a like, a